Good morning, Byrider families. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our most popular vehicles on the lot. Every time our lot gets a Dodge Journey in, it is a fast seller. It has many features. So today we're going to be taking a look at our 2013 Dodge Journey located here in Fond du Lac. Has plenty of features. Some on-screen climate controls, music, everything. The option to have the screen on or off. Does have a push start, so which requires you having the key with you. Basically what you do is you push in the brake down here with your foot. You're going to press the on button. That'll get the vehicle to start for you. Obviously that screen popping up. So we do have our audio controls like radio. You can do your CD players if you have a CD in there. Climate controls right on the screen. And like I said, that option to have the screen off or on. So yeah, this is one of our more popular vehicles. Journeys seem to go fast here. Another nice feature that this one has, the tinted windows. That's becoming very, very popular. Third row seater. But very much so coming popular these days are the tinted windows. So this one is all tinted out, front and back windows, and that makes that one of our more popular sellers.